I'm sorry I'm in the same outfit because I've been pre-filming constantly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be an Amazon mini haul. Amazon did have a Prime Day sale on 28th and 21st of this month, Saturday, Sunday, and the deals were like awesome. I picked up few essentials that I wanted to restock. I think most of them are restocks. I do have 1 2 new products which I'm like super excited about. So without further ado, let's quickly everything that I got from Amazon is right in this box. This box is huge. First thing is a charger restock. I have restocked this charger. I don't know whether you guys know or not whether I featured this shower gel before in my video or not. This is my absolute favorite shower gel. I'm sorry for the ASMR. Let me remove the wrapper. So this is the shower gel from Body Wise, a Be Body Wise. This is a 1% salicylic acid body wash to prevent body acne, exfoliate dead skin cells. I have like few reasons why I like this body wash. First of all, the packaging, guys, it's cute. It's a huge bottle. Like I like shower gels in a very huge bottle, at least like more than 500 ml, because shower gel is something like I run out of very quickly. I shower like 3 times, 2 to 3 times in a day, so I run out of shower gels very fast. And I don't want a 200 ml, 250 ml bottle. That's the reason I don't repurchase Plum's shower gel, because they're very tiny. They don't unfortunately come. I don't mind paying little more for the shower gel if I like, but they have like very small bottles, so I can't like keep repurchasing. It's such a huge hassle. So I liked the shower gel. Plus this is correct me if I'm wrong, this is the only company, only brand, Be Body Wise, which does the shower gels with actives which has fragrance. Correct me if I'm wrong whether you guys have used any other shower gels from different brands which has actives and also has a fragrance to it. For me, I've already said this, for me body care mein mujhe fragrance 100% chahiye. I wouldn't use any body care products which doesn't have fragrance. I understand makeup skincare mein fragrance nahi chahiye, but body care, be it deodorant, be it roll on, be it body wash, be it body scrub, be it body lotion, everything I want like super duper fragrance in it. So without fragrance वो मेरे को शार लेने में मजा नहीं आता, to be honest. So that's the reason I love and I'm sticking to it. Unless some other brands come with fragranced body washes, I'm gonna like stick to this, because Dermaco, Chemist at Play, and Dr. Sheth, all these brands do shower gels with actives and they're quite good also. I don't have much of body acne, so I cannot comment on it, but it does keep my body very smooth. Both Dr. Sheth, Dermaco, मुझे सारे body washes के results अच्छे लगे, but this one has salicylic acid. It also comes in couple of more variants, if I'm not wrong. It comes in a niacinamide variant also. I've not tried that one. I just saw this. It was at a very good offer. The MRP is 998, but obviously I paid around 600 rupees or 579. I'm gonna pop all the sale prices on the screen. This has a very, first of all, if you guys can see, it has like tiny beads in it, and oh guys, this smells straight up ocean. Like it is so aqua, like the color is blue in color, and it is exactly smells also the same. Like they have nailed up with the formulation. This Be Body Wise, it's a good shower gel. It comes in huge bottle. It has salicylic acid. It has like minute scrub like of particles, but it's not very harsh. You don't even will feel it, but it does have like tiny particles. It has good aqua fragrance to it, plus it's blue in color. It gets a thumbs up. I think I'm gonna keep on repurchasing this over and over again. I love this body wash. Please, if you guys are on a lookout with an active body wash, do check this out. Then the second restock is then the second restock is again wet wipes, because whenever I travel I like to keep wet wipes with me. This is from Simple. I have used this in the past. Whenever I go for Himalayan treks and all, I always carry this wet wipe. It's very good quality. So this is the Simple facial cleansing wipes. Instantly removes waterproof makeup and dirt. It is kind to skin, and you guys know already Simple is a very nice brand. It's safe for skin and all. It's no color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, and it also has some pro amino acids. Yeah, I'm not sure whether this is environment friendly or not. It says suitable for vegans, perfect for even the most sensitive skin, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, etc., etc. I'm not sure whether this is environment friendly or not. I don't normally use facial wipes or any wet wipes in general, just for the environment pollution issue. But whenever I'm traveling, there is, like, especially when I'm going for Himalayan treks and all, I cannot carry a cleansing balm. I don't have time. I don't have the energy. I don't have water. Nothing there. So these kind of wet wipes really come in handy. So I cannot, like, I'm obliged to use this. Like, even though I don't want it, like, I'm obliged to use it because they perform really good and they're very handy. This is a simple wet wipes, and it unfortunately does not come in that plastic container. I wish it had come in a plastic container, because with time it does get, the sticking kind of gets, spoiled. But even though till the last wet wipe, the wet wipe was very good in performance. It removes all the waterproof mascara also very nicely. So it does a pretty good job even if you're wearing a waterproof makeup. So that's the reason I picked this up again. This was again a restock, and I found it at a very good discount as well. में 25 wet wipes आते हैं, so you're good to go. काफी time चल जाता है, like 6-7 महीने. If you don't travel very regularly, ये बहुत easily बहुत time तक चल जाता है. Yeah, I impulse purchased 2 lip balms because I ran out of lip balms, and मैं डर के मारे 2 lip balm purchase किया. One is a restock, like not a restock, a repurchase. The other one is a completely new lip balm. So this is the first lip balm is from the Juicy Chemistry. This is the, I think Juicy Chemistry has only one kind of lip balm. This is the Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm for pigmented lips, handcrafted, freshly made. The MRP is 350 rupees, but I got this for 240 rupees on the Amazon discount. So this is the packaging. It's very tiny, but I've used in the past. It works very good as a night lip mask. And let me tell you the quantity. This is 5 grams. So 5 gram के लिए 250 is little more, I know. Like ये तो hyphen से भी ज़्यादा हो गया, but this works very nicely. So this is the lip balm. It comes with a protective seal, and this is the quantity. So 5 gram बहुत कम है, but trust me, ये काफी time तक चलता है. This is the lip mask. I'm not going to be using it on the under the lipstick or on the daytime. I'm going to probably only use it at night in place of my Laneige lip mask. So it also has that orange smell, orange zest smell. It does not give any color to it. It's very soft, and it's a very lightweight late lip balm also. It doesn't have any color. You're not gonna feel very heavy, unlike the Laneige lip mask. And मुझे ये lip balm काफी पसंद है. Really like it. Then the next lip balm that I got is, I don't want to like tell my final verdict, like this is a dupe of Laneige lip mask, but oh my god, I think I found the lip balm for like for good now. This is from Plix. Have anyone tried this lip balm? Please let me know in the comment section below. The packaging, first of all, is so nice. It's quirky. It has like this fruit pomegranate ka picture going on. It's a huge quantity. This is the Plix pomegranate plump lips. It has vitamin C, cherry butter, and almond oil. This is a pudding lip mask, but I use it as a lip balm as well, underneath the lipstick as well. This is for 375 rupees, and a lot of things are written on the packaging. Fruit forward, clean beauty, dermatologically tested. Packaging even inside is so quirky. It has like colorful pomegranate picture going on. I love the packaging, and this is the tub. It's a huge quantity. I like it. मतलब मुझे lip balm ऐसा huge quantity में चाहिए, so that I can like anytime open it, apply it. Like if I'm at home, I apply lip balm like at least 7-8 times throughout the day. तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि छोटू सा quantity हो और I just run out again I'm purchasing. No, I want a lip balm which is a huge tub, and I can use it whenever I want without even worrying about it to get over. I'm trying to find out how. Yeah, this is 15 gram of product, and this I got it for around 300 rupees. The MRP, sorry, the MRP is 275. I'm gonna pop the price on the screen, the sale price that I got for. It comes with the tub, and you guys can see I've already used it. इसको मैंने use किया. It doesn't have a tint to it. It's a very clear lip balm, and you guys can see the texture. This is the Plix lip balm, and this is how it looks. Can you guys see? It looks exactly like Laneige lip balm. तो ये बिल्कुल Laneige lip balm जैसा दिखता है. एंड however this smells, the smell is also very same. Laneige lip mask जो है berry जैसा smell करता है, the OG pink one. ये भी मुझे पोमोग्रेनेट से ज्यादा बेरी जैसा स्मेल कर रहा है. नथिंग दैट लिंगर्स ऑन, नथिंग दैट इज ओवरपावरिंग और विच लिंगर्स ऑन. ये बहुत जल्दी, ये बहुत जल्दी चला जाता है. एंड द टेक्सचर सो लाइट वेट यू गाइस. इट्स नॉट नथिंग लाइक थिक लाइक लिप लनेश लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क. ये आपको कितना क्वांटिटी, ये आपको सिर्फ एक बार डिप करने के, मतलब एक बार आपको टच करना है बस. यू डोंट हैव टू इवन टेक इट और स्वूप इट, नथिंग. यू जस्ट हैव टू टच इट. और ये पूरे लिप्स में आप आराम से, दोनों लिप्स में आप लग सकते हो. लाइक लिटरली आई एम सेइंग, आपको एक बार टच करके दोनों लिप में आप आराम से लगा सकते हो. सो the texture is nice, it is long lasting as well, it does not like immediately evaporate from your lips. I'm telling you, I have found a very good lip balm, but I'm going to use it even more just so that I can compare this and the Laneige lip zipping mask. So probably I'll put up a shot or something in future. Let's see. Because मैंने Amazon में से इतने products खरीदे, they gave a freebie. Amazons usually don't give freebies. I don't know. This is the first time I got a freebie. This is the lip and cheek tint. This is from the brand Just Herbs. Amazing. I mean, मुझे freebie Amazon ने देखे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश कर दिया. This is the Just Herbs Nourishing Lip and Cheek Tint. This has Javitri and jojoba oil. I have used Just Herbs के products and Just Herbs के cheek tint in the past in the shade Mahogany. I had like way past, I mean 4 साल पहले Just Herbs का जब release हुआ था cheek tint. That time not many brands were doing cheek tint. जब उन्होंने launch किया था, I have used the entire tub. मैंने पूरा finish किया था. It was very good, long lasting cheek and lip tint, and I am in the shade Peachy Coral 02. However, I have not used this shade. I don't know whether it's gonna suit me or not, but nevertheless. And इसका जो expiry date है, it's May 2027. So I have got like good 3 years to use it. I'm like super impressed. They did not even give me a nearby expiry product, and this is the tub. The only problem is इसका packaging बहुत ज़्यादा थोड़ा flimsy है, तो मैं over the time use करते करते ये kind of it broke on me, but I still used it, finished it completely, and this is the shade. I think ये shade मुझ पे suit कर जाएगा. Let me give you a swatch. Super creamy. So I'm gonna apply it here. I hope the shade suits me. This is the shade Peachy Coral, and let me blend out. Can you guys see it blends out very nicely, and it's pretty long lasting also. So that's good. I'm really happy that Amazon gave me a free product. I have 2 more products from Amazon. This is again a restock. This is the Mars Peach Makeup Remover, unique formula with cleaning all kinds of makeup. I think ये मुझे पहले जब मैंने try किया था, this was a freebie from Mars Cosmetics that I got a lot of products from Mars, so they gave me this full size product free. I've used it like non-stop. I used it every day. I finished it in straight up 1 month. So that's the reason I bought it with my own money. This is not a freebie. And this cost for $2.99. Again, I got it for $240 or $230 rupees on Amazon Prime sale. And मुझे ये makeup remover बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. I don't know why this is underrated, why no one is talking about this makeup remover. First of all, let's like talk about the packaging. It's so quirky. Peaches बने हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा cute and quirky packaging है. And this is gel consistency. If anyone is from oily skin family or combination skin family, they're gonna love it because it's a gel formula और ये बहुत easily waterproof makeup और पूरा makeup remove हो जाता है. Does not stain my eye, does not leave any oil residue. बहुत जल्दी easily. ये इतना emulsify नहीं होता है, but you don't require it to emulsify because ये कोई oil residue छोड़ता ही नहीं है. You just need to wash your face with any face wash. You not have to be cleansing face wash. बहुत gentle face wash से भी ये पूरा makeup remover निकल जाता है और makeup भी बहुत easily quickly clean हो जाता है. So this is a repurchase, and I'm gonna keep repurchasing this. It's gonna be a staple in my skincare routine. So that's that. And I have saved the best for the last. This is Kiro lip oil. ये lip oil launch हुए शायद 6 महीने के ऊपर हुआ रहेगा. It went very viral. I normally don't pick up little expensive products immediately once they launch. I wait for them, I wait for the review, and then I go ahead and purchase it. और इसका जो तारीफें हैं वो अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुए. So guys, really sorry, my mic just went off and the entire footage just did not come, so I'm shooting it again, the last clip. So I was talking about this Kiro lip oil. This is the PH Play lip and cheek oil with rosehip oil, moringa oil and avocado oil. The packaging, guys, whatever I have used from Kiro Beauty has been always good. These two brands, the Kiro Beauty and the K Beauty, have been like very good. Whatever I've used, I've always fallen in love with them. For the longest time, I've been using their liquid lipsticks, their bullet lipsticks, their highlighter, their blush. Everything's performance is top notch. I'm having high hopes as well. The MRP is for 800. Obviously, I got it for 540 something. You guys know why I picked up from Amazon Prime sale. So this is the big fat chubby tube, and the doe food applicator is also super chubby. So you don't have to go over and over again and dip it over. I think this big doe food applicator एक बार dip किया आपको पूरे lips में काफ़ी हो जाएगा. So I've already swatched it here. So this ये swatch करके काफ़ी time हो गया. ये swatch मैंने किया है. So you guys can see after some time it leaves a strong pink tint. So let me talk to you about it. First applies like a clear gloss and later on it leaves a pink tint. So let me give you a brief about PH lip oil. Like, it's been going viral, you guys already know, but let me just clarify this, that the PH lip oil does not work according to body's pH. बॉडी का pH एक ही है गाइज. द बॉडीज pH, द ब्लड pH ranges from 7.35 to 7.45. उससे कम ज़्यादा रहेगा तो it's abnormality. And सबका body pH, be it any part of the world the person is, body का blood pH अपना human beings का, it's the same. So what pH oil basically means, that ये lip oil, on when it comes in contact with the human body's warmth, so according to the body temperature, the warmth of the body, it kind of changes its color and leaves a pink tint. And by the way, this is not a new revolutionary thing. I think Maybelline a decade back, it had a lip balm which was also very clear, and once applied it kind of used to leave a pink tint. It's the same thing, but ये अभी इतना अलग तरीके से PH लिप ऑयल के नाम से इतना फेमस हो रहा है. दैट वॉज लाइक लिटिल बिजार फॉर मी. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कम आउट एंड क्लैरिफाई दैट वन थिंग फॉर you guys. Having said that, every lipstick, be it any lipstick for that sake, like, it looks different on different people. People have different lip color, people have pigmentation, some people have pigmentation in patches, some people have like round, the outside of the lips are like pigmented, the middle part is pink, some people have like luscious pink uniform throughout. So like different people have different pigmentation in their lips. That's the reason it kind of looks different. Even lipstick looks different on different people. So this is gonna look different, but it leaves a pink tint only. ऐसा होता तो इसका color सब में अलग अलग होना चाहिए, but it leaves a same pink tint. I'm gonna definitely leave a shot how it looks on me, but on me it masks the pigmentation also. जो pink tint है वो gloss निकलने के बाद भी रह जाता है, and it becomes transfer proof also, unless you eat or drink. Once you eat or drink, just like the other liquid lipsticks or lipsticks, the tint also leaves and you may need to reapply it. So that's the one thing that I wanted to come out and clarify, that PH lip oil does not work according to body's pH. That's a myth. Anyways, that's about it, and I'm like super happy with this purchase. So with that, we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful and like this video. Please do show some love. See you in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Ta-da, bye bye.